Top of the morning, everybody. How's it going? So this morning we're heading up to Jones Power Sports. I gotta go drop off these RS1s. We're gonna have the gears installed on it. So this is Rick Carter's machine. That one's mine. Future champions. Let's hit the road. Gotta get pulled up here and get some fuel. All right, so we're doing a little test here. I just topped this thing off completely full. And what we're gonna do is see what our fuel mileage is. Right now, we are currently at 74,922 miles. It's showing 430 miles until empty. We currently have 2 RS1s on the trailer. My trailer weighs like 1,700 pounds. I don't know. I'll try to average my best. So reason why I'm doing this is I'm actually getting a Derringer tuner with a Banks intake system, and I don't know how good it's going to do for fuel economy, but I figure a little real world testing, this will be good. So we're topped off completely. We'll measure how much fuel we put in it next time versus how many miles we've gone. We'll compare it to the truck calibration for, you know, fuel economy, and then we'll see what we're doing while we're towing. So this trip is 2 hours. It is from Fort Worth, Texas to Durant, Oklahoma. We're going to Jones Power Sports. So I'm driving up here, right? And I'm looking at Total Wine. Total Wine must have a sale or something going on, because these cats is all sitting outside. All waiting to get into the liquor store. That's crazy. People out there drinking and everything. Okay, well, now that that's over, so here's what happened. I started driving down the road and I noticed that my damn fuel mileage was like 10, 9. I was like, holy crap. And I looked back in the floor and I was like, holy crap. I didn't change the damn air filter the other day, so pulled over, got that changed, got some help from a nice fella, Fort Worth Billiards. Shout out to you, dude. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for letting me use your screwdriver so I can change that air filter. All right, I'm gonna reset this thing back to 0. And we've only gone, okay, so it's 74,926 miles. All right, here we are, Jones Power Sports. We have arrived. Let's get these 2 turds off this trailer and into the bay with Evan. See if we can get them done. Get this bad boy loaded up on the trailer. Should be good to go. All right, so we got this bad boy on the trailer. Now we gotta do is sit tight and see if old Evan can get these gears installed in a reasonable amount of time. I'll just hang out up here and take my buggy back today. So right now, Evan's got the transmission pulled out. It's over here. This transmission actually looks pretty good. It's clean, nothing messy in there. That's a good thing. And I've been going over a bunch of other stuff, trying to see if there's anything that I might have missed. And it's looking pretty good, man. Got a little bit of oil residue here from when they changed the oil, but nothing to be concerned with. See, there hasn't been any mud or anything inside the tube there. Pretty pleased. All right. Where was it? See, exactly. I told you, as soon as we got those things screwed in, then we'd find the one you were missing. So right now we're just doing a little bit of alignment, getting everything bolted in together. Almost done. Oh, Evan making quick work of this stuff. So now we got the clutches back on, Turbo S belt on, prop shaft back on. Fucking Superman over here. Superman! So now we're just finishing up with the brake lines on the front. Evan's already gone ahead and gotten the whole rear end put back together. This thing is ready to go. I'm gonna get this thing pulled up out of here. I'm gonna get everybody paid up front, get this thing on the trailer and head home. We got a day of riding tomorrow. You're freaking awesome, Evan. You're awesome. That's right. Yeah, right? Evan don't talk on the camera much. So close. Good old same-day service. All right, guys, and just like that, we've got Ashton back from Jones Power Sports. It came in here and it got a transmission seal replaced. We've also got my buggy back. We got the gears installed in it today. Compliments of Jones Power Sports. And just want to give a special shout out to Corey Reeves and Reeves Off-Road. Thanks so much for the gears, man. Appreciate y'all. Let's get our asses home now. All right, so let's go ahead and top this off one more time. All right, so now we've put in 26 gallons, 26.521 gallons. So let's do the math on that and see what our miles per gallon was. So our miles traveled was 75,153. All right, so after doing the math, I've come to the conclusion that I was 8.5 miles to the gallon. That's the 24-foot trailer, 2 RS1s on it, 35-inch tires, 5-inch lift, 85 miles an hour. Yeah, so now we got a little bit of a baseline as to what we're looking at. It's 51 degrees outside right now. It's been pretty much the same all day. When the Derringer comes in, we'll install all that stuff. We'll get the intake put on, and then we'll come do this test again. I'm not expecting a whole lot of like increase in miles per gallon, or even any for that matter. I'm just looking for a little bit of extra drivability, and we might entertain the idea of putting in a water methanol injection setup, maybe. There's some, a lot of controversy on that sort of subject. Some people think that it works, some people think that it doesn't. I think that it does. For right now, basically just run the tuner like it is and go from there. All right, guys. So we are home. We got the old girl off the trailer. We got the other old girl on the trailer. Me and Mama are ready to go riding tomorrow. We're gonna head on up to Red River Trails. Gonna do a little shakedown, get Mama a little bit of practice time. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you share this stuff with your friends. We'll see you guys out on the next one. Later.